I'm not here, thank you. Dude. Imbecile. You with your innocence and gray. They have a red arrow back there? Yeah, she had a red arrow back there. Yeah, your stop sign. Yeah, Honda up there ran a stop sign. Thank you.
Senator Mitt Romney saying today it's important for the Senate to hear testimony from the former National Security Advisor. Romney goes on to say it's, quote, increasingly likely that other Republicans will join the...
Yeah, no U-turn there. Thank you. Now, what are you doing, though? Wakey, wakey. Why are you standing... What the fuck is this? Great place to die. What the hell happened there? The hell are you stopping there for? What the frig was that? Check this parking job, huh? Stop sign, Mr. CRP. Yeah, left turn only, lady. Thank you. What are you doing, lady? Changing your mind or gonna be a jerk? Be a great woman. Yep. Douche and Honda. Good. I don't think that was a legal left turn. Why are these on timers now? Who's gonna run the red arrow? This van's gonna run the red arrow. This van ran the red arrow. You see that? That van ran the red arrow. Oh, what do we got here? Exit dive. Exit dive. Connecticut exit dive. Your true intention. My true intention is to stop at the stop sign, not just sort of slow roll it. Thank you.
You're pushing you back to almost Western Ave right now. So Techno and Sterling.
Don't run the stop like you just did. No, that wasn't a stop. And no stop sign, and he passed on the right. Ugh. And whatever the hell that was, just rolled this one, and another roller here. Tesla kind of rolled it, and we got a roller here, and a roller there, and a roller there, and here, and there, and every freaking where. And there's something coming, so go see what do. You're welcome, honey. You're welcome. Don't you worry about it. Yeah, don't you worry about it. Yeah, Jesus. You're welcome, honey. You're welcome. Don't you worry about it. Yeah, don't you worry about it. Yeah, Jesus Christ. It's a fucking stop, lady. You're supposed to fucking stop. I mean, really, you know what stop means? Stop means stop. Yeah, the runner! Stop before you turn. unmarked car runs the stop. Doo doo doo. And minivan too. Doo doo doo. On this way. Direct to the left lane. Go, you mother out of front of I'm a fun. Jesus. Could you move it, Mr. Silverado? Thank you. You know, you don't have to cut them that closely. Watch this guy. Yeah, saw that coming. Casket company, nice. Trying to drum a business? Yo! Nice exit dive. Smells like exit dive. Yep. Yep. The smell was correct. Guess he's gonna run the stop sign too. The Honda just did back there. So, rolled it. And rolled it. Yep. And blew it. Get your dirty look, douchebag. Can't just run the stop, yeah. Like you did, and you did, and you did. And don't cut me off, Mercedes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Check and see if that was a red light run. Oh, nice cutoff back there. Nice, nice. That wave makes it all better, dude. Yeah. Stop sign, and that was a stop sign. It's a stop sign, CRV. Boy, I bet he didn't stop for the stop sign. Jesus Christ. Yep. Bag of douche. Stop sign runner. Caught that one. Two trailers approaching. Let's see who doesn't stop. Yep, he didn't. It was a slow roll. Yep. And that Prius didn't stop. 100% of the Toyotas didn't stop. I am 0% surprised. The hell was that for? Dumbass! Toyo turd. Hell, there's already a car in that lane, you asshole. What the fuck? Stop. He didn't really stop. And, yeah, that was not a stop. And this is not a stop either. This is a stop. What are you doing? What the frig are you doing, stupid? Oh, god damn it, don't you block me. Dumbass. With a dealer plate. That's a stop sign, Mr. Camry. Don't like this. I don't like this. 25. Run the red, run the red, run the red. You run the red. Did we stop back there? Why are you taking the long way? And you went up the wrong way. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I hope the camera picked that up. Yeah, that's... Yeah, you know, they really gotta put the one-way sign back up on that ramp. Or do not exit here sign, because that's definitely not a legal left turn. Since the street next to it, you can't take a left turn. You can't take a left turn there either. If you look real close, you'll see that on the paint there's an arrow pointing in only. Why are you pulling up pickup? What the hell is this? Alright, who's not gonna stop? Who's not gonna stop? Grand Marquis was not going to stop. Grand Marquis was the last one to get to the thing. To the intersection. Grand Marquis did not stop. Alright. Not even look at me. Nice! Wide enough turn there, Nissan. Yeah, that wasn't a stop! And back to the plane, Toyota! Cut off the Ford. Hey, a little close there, dude. Dudette, whatever the hell you are. Yeah, that was a little close, stupid. That was a red light. Stop sign run. Didn't leave when I need you. I need you so. Whoa! Hey, everybody's being douchey today. Goes through your head. Good look, dum dum. So that wind blowing through your head. Slow roll through the stop, and you too. When I see a stop sign, I hit the stop pedal like you didn't. Here's an annoyance, a bus driver that won't pull over to the bus stop. Screw you, Mr. Bus Driver. Nice cut off Camry. Because Camry.